From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon, I'm student meteorologist Julia Angerman here from the Penn State Campus Weather Service with your Tuesday afternoon forecast. Taking a live look at Beaver Stadium here, we can see overcast conditions persist. Temperatures sitting at 34 right now, great visibility, only a slight wind out of the southern portion of the state. As we look across the Commonwealth, looking at temperatures, we can see dew points in the upper 20s, and then temperatures here, Erie sitting at 36, Pittsburgh as well, Philadelphia, the corners of the state, a little bit warmer than the central portion of the state, sitting around the mid-30s. And then as we zoom out a little bit, we can see above average temperatures in the Midwest with their warm conditions continuing. Over in the mountain region, temperatures a little bit lower. Boston sitting at 28, a little bit closer to average, and of course higher temperatures across the south. And then as we look at current conditions across the state, we can see sunny conditions in Erie, 36 as mentioned. Everywhere else, mostly cloudy conditions. And then for wind speeds here, we have a little bit windier conditions in the western portion of the state as a result of a system moving through that I'll talk about in a second from the western side near Indiana and Ohio. And then relatively calm wind speeds in the eastern portion of the state. Possible lake effect snow showers in Erie, very minimal, only slight flurries, no accumulation probable. But then that system I talked about here, starting in Indiana, moving across Ohio, although precipitation will dissipate before we get to Pennsylvania. So no rain or snow expected in the Commonwealth, but moving across the Midwest here. And then as we look at future weather, Friday, a couple snow showers, or rain showers possible. Thursday into Friday, but then cloudy conditions will continue on Friday. We have some precipitation out in the Midwest here, nothing super formative though to worry about. And then as we head into Saturday, sunny conditions will return. We have not a cloud in sight on Saturday, and that trend will continue on Sunday. Great weekend if you plan to do anything outdoors. And then now as we move to today in State College, high of 37, cloudy conditions as we discussed earlier. Slight winds out of the southeast, nothing too crazy, possible gusts up to 15, but overall not a horrible day. And then overcast conditions will continue tonight, low of 32 and relatively calm winds. For tomorrow, a little bit warmer, sitting at 42. Some peaks of sun possible, although those clouds will stick around as we saw until the weekend. And then wind gusts will remain relatively calm as well. Now as we take a look across the rest of the week, 7 days, again, those overcast conditions continuing until Saturday, Sunday, Monday, when we see that sun return. Temperatures relatively constant the rest of the week. We can see mid to low 40s. Low temperatures start of the week in the low 30s, dropping down to the mid 20s as we see that cloud cover disappear, more fluctuation, the diurnal range from the high temperature to the low temperature, but not a whole lot of precipitation happening, only a slight chance as mentioned on Friday, although State College we might not see any precipitation there, so a good week ahead. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Julia Angerman. Have a good afternoon.